How to download Sora 2 on Android. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to download Sora 2 on your Android device. And since a lot of people can't find it directly in the Play Store, I'll show you the correct method step by step. Alright, let's get started. First, if you search for Sora inside the Google Play Store, it might not show up yet because it's still rolling out. So instead, we're going to use the official link. Open your browser. In the search bar, type Sora 2 Android. From the results, scroll down to the Apps section. Tap on the official Sora by OpenAI. Once the page opens, it will redirect you straight to the Google Play Store page for Sora. Now tap the Install or Pre-Register button. When you pre-register, Google Play will automatically add you to the waiting list. And as soon as Sora 2 becomes available for your device, it will install on your phone automatically. You won't need to do anything else. And that's it. Even though Sora 2 isn't fully released on the Play Store yet, this is the best and official way to download or access it on Android.